Repairing your Mercedes G63 engine has been quite a journey, and we're excited to share it with you step by step. First, we carefully looked at the engine to see what needed fixing. Then, we took it apart piece by piece, making sure to remember where everything went. Our team got to work fixing any problems we found along the way, like replacing old parts or fixing anything broken. After that, we put the engine back together, making sure everything fit just right. This part needed lots of attention to detail to make sure we didn't miss anything. Once the engine was back together, we tested it to make sure it was working like it should. We wanted to be sure it would run smoothly for you. Finally, we put the engine back in your Mercedes G63. This was a big moment. We had to be really careful to make sure everything lined up perfectly. Once it was in, we double-checked everything to make sure it was secure. Now your Mercedes G63 is good to go. It's running smoothly and ready for your next adventure. If you have any questions or need help with anything, just let us know. We're here to make sure your car stays in great shape for a long time.